Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Rebecca's Stew and the Crew. I'm Rebecca. Happy October. Today, we're going to see what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We are located in DFW, and I went to 3 different stores, combined all the pictures into one video for you. So let's go shopping and see what is new. We'll first start in apparel and accessories. They're starting to put out their winter slippers. They put these out last year, and they were a huge hit. They sold out almost every time they put them out. Right now, they've got them mainly in solid colors. I'm finding them in blue, purple, red. They even have some Juncture brand scarves, which are new. They're fur on the outside, like a faux fur. Again, those are in purple, gray, and black, solid colors. And they are the 360, so they're connected all the way around. We've got the 3-in-1 magic glove set. You can wear them um, either or with the fingers or without, or wear them together. They have them in a bunch of different colors, and they're nice because you can still work your phone. They're thin enough that you can use your screen, so you don't have to take them off when you need to use your phone. They have those in a couple different colors. They also have these new gaiters that have an adjustable toggle at the top with coordinating head earmuffs that go either behind the head or over the top. You can wear them either way. They had those in gray and in black, and the matching gaiter in the gray also with the toggle. Then we've got these new cosmetic bags. These are really nice. They're a nice large bag with the Sherpa style material embroidered with the word beauty. There's pink and white, the two-tone brown, and then the tan with the dark brown. And here's a view of the inside of that cosmetic bag so you can see how it's lined. And then in the arts and crafts, they put out more of the 4-piece clay assorted cutters. There's 4 cutters in each bag. You get things like rectangles, butterflies, flowers, raindrops, triangles, squares, ovals, circles, stars, and hearts. They also have the clay tools so you can shape and mold the clay. And they had the polymer clay to restock. It hadn't been out of the box yet, so I didn't take the picture of those. But there's also the air dry clay that's been restocked. Then I found the Crafter Square pom pom makers in small, medium, and large. And they've got some new Crafter Square fabric. So this is more like a summer color scheme to me. The whole box had very bright colors and more of like a summer theme with the daisies. We've got the honeycomb. They even had this one here with the strawberries, which I'm not complaining. It was super cute. I actually bought a few of the strawberry ones. Then there was the like beehive with the berries and flowers, which was so cute. And then they had the multicolor one with just a bunch of different geometric patterns. We've also got these DIY nautical style pictures you can paint and create. They had the beaded hanger on the twine at the top, and there's a couple different ones there. So now we'll see what's new in the health and beauty, cosmetics, the hair care and hair accessories, and the personal care style items. We'll put those all together for you. We found some new powder brush, large makeup brushes with the rose gold handle. They had the magenta pink glitter handle or the solid black. And these are by Make It Beauty. You can also get the 2-pack of the eyeshadow brushes, and those come in a 2-pack in all 3 of those colors, either the rose gold, the glitter, or the black. We've got the Mila and Studio Nail Art Gemstones and Glitter. And there's a couple different packs, different styles of glitter and gemstones. They had a bunch of these nail wraps, which are really pretty. I love this blue with the gold and glitter. There's the daisies with the bumblebees. You also get the mauve with some gold gemstones and the pink with the gemstones. One of my favorite finds is the 3-piece dotting tools for just $1.25. That's an amazing price. We also found these makeup correcting gel pens, which it says it corrects makeup mistakes on like your eyebrows, lips, and eyeshadow. We've got these beauty blenders in these special cases. We've got the cactus. There's also the purple case, and then there's like a blue-gray case. So it's nice that they all have these little carry cases that you can clean them and store them in. We've got the 4-pack of these hair coils. There's the light pastels. And then we've got kind of like a jelly style where you can see through it. There's multicolor and then the rainbow one. We've also got the mini claw clips. Those come in an 8 pack. There's two different packs of those, two different styles. And another favorite of mine were these large claw clips with the bows. It's like a shimmer style bow, and the claw clip is wrapped in the same style material. And they had those in the light ivory. They had a like a grayish silver color and black. And the bow is on both sides of the claw clip. We've also got the fast dry boosted mousse and the cocoa butter oil for the hair. It says moisturizes for oil. It's for the hair, scalp, and body. And that is the 100% cocoa oil and the vitamin E oil. We've got these Arm& and Hammer shoe inserts. We've got the moleskin padding. There's callus cushions. Also the air foam cushions for the insoles. And when you flip them over, it actually has the measurements for different shoe sizes. So you're able to cut on the line and put those in your shoes. They had some odor stoppers as well. The advanced healing gel bandages in a 4 pack, which are really nice. And the self-adhering wrap, those have all been restocked. For the fun finds, we have some new fun novelty items. We have these LED phone stands. There's two different ones you can get for $1.25. There's the astronaut and the French fries. You guys, these are so cute. So they're a nice, big, chunky light. I'll take the fries out of the box. You guys can see it from this side. It's about 1.5 inches thick. Has an on and off button, and you need to put batteries in it. But look how cute this is. It'd be so cute lit up. I'd love to see it. Then we've got the Psychic Sphere Fun Filled Fortune balls. It's like a squishy ball, has a dice inside, and you can squeeze the ball, and then you can find the dice, and it'll answer the question to whatever question you ask. We've got home decor. There's some new items like these votives. These are actually a restock item. They had these out about 3 or 4 weeks ago. Super pretty. I love the tan one. That's definitely my favorite one. The pictures, you guys, I'm telling you, do not do it justice. It's so pretty. They can also have it in green. So there's 3 different colors you can buy these in. Then they had these new candles, which are really pretty. They're a large sunflower candle. They're all individually wrapped, and it has this little satin bow at the top. Very pretty. You can get them in the darker brown, the orange, and the white. And they're large. They fit in the palm of my hand, but they're pretty big. We've got the 3 different glass votive candles with the hobnob style glass and some stretched canvas pictures. These are geared more towards like teens or early, teenagers, tweens, I guess they call them. There's the Let's Go Girls with the cowgirl boots, Be Kind, Everything is All Right with Flowers. There's Good at Naps, Be Good, Do Good with the flowers and the smiley faces. There is the checkerboard pattern with the cherries. We've got some groovy mushrooms with a disco ball. And then I love these two with the hearts and the flower pattern with the yellow, blue, and pink. And then another checkerboard one with a lightning bolt. We've also got this really fancy outfit with the special purse and shoes. And then we can't forget the knee socks with the roller skates. Those are so cute. So then the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section, we have these 3 different list pads. We've also got the pencil cups that are the plastic squares in purple, blue, teal, and pink. They have that shiny finish on the outside. We've got these white pearl iridescent pencil cups and the decorative rectangles to organize your desk. And those actually come in 2 different sizes. And you can see them kind of stacked here. They're all individually wrapped in this plastic. We had some new paint with water books, which are always fun. There's the story of Moses, Joseph, and the story of creations. Those are fun. And I love them that they don't make a mess. So those are always great. For housewares, home maintenance, electronics, and storage, we've got the Christmas tree scent room freshener. There's also the mountain pine scent, which is a linen and a room spray. There's apple cinnamon, brown vanilla sugar scent, and pumpkin spice. You could also get these crystal beads in all of the same scents. There's the pumpkin, the brown vanilla sugar, the apple cinnamon, and the pine. And those are the 9-ounce containers. We've got these anti-theft locator cases by eCircuit. They fit an Apple AirTag. It comes with the keychain already attached, and they come in a couple of different colors. You can get them in black, red, or gray. Now for the kitchen and pantry, they restocked several of their jars this week. I always love these decorative jars with the rose gold lids, and then these ones here with the tin lid. It has that little space in the front for the label, and then the short chunky jars with the ribs down the side, and then they've got their simple kitchen dish drying mats back in. I absolutely love these. These are like twice the size of their regular dish drying mats, and they're the same price. They're just $1.25. They wash really well. They hold up in the wash like excellent. I've had these for a little over a year and they're just amazing. Then you can get the Simple Kitchen towels, and these are a 3 pack, which is always great because usually they just come in a 2 pack for the regular Dollar Tree towels. And I feel like these wash better, hold up better, and actually dry water, which is, sometimes a novelty. I don't know why sometimes the Dollar Tree towels just don't seem to absorb any water, but these do. They're actually quite nice. We've also got the home collection towels with the different coffee themes, like classic, there's espresso, cappuccino, and they've got the blue and white pattern that says always be nice to the chef. There's kitchen towels, there's oven mitts, pot holders, and even a kitchen mat that you can put down on the floor. We've got the tapestry style placemats for fall. There are 3 different ones that I found, like the blue truck, the pumpkins, and give thanks for just $1.25, which always amazes me because there's so much work that goes into those. The party supplies, we have these new banners. I think they reach about 7 feet long. It's the two-tone, it's like a gold and white, kind of shimmers and changes colors in the light. And then this one is the blue and white. But the blue one, again, it when you move it, it kind of looks silver, looks blue, depending on where the light hits it. Then we've got these spiral tassels. They're 30 inches. It says game on, has the different game controllers. There's a close up of what the piece looks like that hangs down from the spiral. There are different like banners, there's invitations and things like that. Then for the pet care, we've got the Fancy Feast Savory Pure Natural Tuna Demi Glaze, those little treats, $1.25 at Dollar Tree, $2.58 at Walmart. Then I found these Bam Bones chew toy for dogs under 30 pounds. It says they're bacon flavor, and it's made with bamboo fiber. We've also got the Kind Reward Bare Bones chicken wraps, and those are a 4 pack. Then for the seasonal items, we'll start with fall, Thanksgiving, and Halloween. We've got the DIY wood rounds with the 3 different pumpkins, and the pumpkin in the center is 3D. We have the wood cutout that say thankful and blessed, all restocked items. They had these out last year. There's gathered together with the cornucopia. We've got the trick or treat with the jack-o'-lanterns on both sides, the word wicked with the hat, the moon, and the witch's broom. Happy Halloween has some bats and a jack-o'-lantern. The large wood round that says eek and it has a bat. And those pieces are 3D. They come up off of that backing. There's also trick or treat with the jack-o'-lantern and spider web. Happy Halloween. That one also has a bat at the top. And the word poison has the skull and crossbones. We have the haunted house with the decorative frame. And then Happy Halloween. Sorry, I didn't realize it was backwards when I took the picture. Then we have the vertical one to say rest in peace with the skull. There's the large tombstone with the jack-o'-lantern faces cut out. And then the rest in peace one, this one has the jack-o'-lanterns. A gnome holding some pumpkins with the 4 markers that you can color. Hello Fall with the pumpkins and sunflowers. Then we have the mini words that say Happy Halloween. That's a 3 pack. The word wicked with the hat, also in a 3 pack. There is spooky with the ghost, and then the word boo. All of those are a 3 pack. There's also these Halloween pumpkin glow kits, and you can put them on a regular pumpkin, or you can put them on, of course, the different foam pumpkins. So it says, Hey Boo, and then that's what it looks like during the daytime, and of course it glows at night. You can also get the jack-o'-lantern face. Kind of hard to see on the sticker sheet here, but I promise you it's there. They have the tin or aluminum style leaves back in. These are 3 different leaves. They're nice and large. There's gold, red, and silver, and they're all sold separately. For the seasonal winter Christmas items, we've got the Santa hats, which are the chair covers. I think they're 19 by 22 inches. They have the ornaments that look like little booties, we've got the red, green, and white, or the red and white. The owl ornaments with the gold and white. A little bit of eucalyptus leaves, some beads, and pine cones at the bottom. And then the tinsel ornaments, there is the ornament that says Merry Christmas, the red truck with a tree, the house. We've got the Santa boot or stocking that says Merry Christmas, Santa's hat. There's also the shelf style tinsel items. There's the snowman and a penguin. We've got the ornaments that are the double candy canes, red and white or red and green. And then there's the 9 pack of the decorative bells. There is silver, red, and gold. They brought back the glitter reindeer ornaments. There's white, brown, and gold. And then these are the corrugated cardboard style with the buffalo plaid ribbon, a little bit of greenery and berries, and a pine cone. There's a deer, a tree, and a snowflake. The toys and games, we've got the Hey Arthur characters. There's also the stuffed, these are kind of like a boba tea style. There's like peaches. There's I think it's like chocolate chip, grape, and strawberry. There's the bathtub toys by Coco Melon, Fun in the Tub. It's 6 foam pieces. We also have Spidey or the Amazing Spidey and Friends. The Disney Princess. You have Ariel, Ursula. There's Gabby's Dollhouse. Then the Dollar Tree Plus items. We have the large boba tea characters. There is a unicorn, a teddy bear, and a panda bear. These large squishmallow style animals. We've got the ghost, which is so cute. The teddy bear looks a little bit wear for tear for Halloween. Missing an eye, has some stitches at the top, and then there's the black cat. They also have these new train sets for 5. It says you need 2 AA batteries. There's 21 pieces. You get the train engine. There's some different signs. And then, of course, the track and different train cars. The press and go motorcycle and car. It says it's like car shoot. We've got the 12-inch baby doll with accessory. 2 different dolls. We've got a baby bottle, a spoon, a fork, and a plate, and a pacifier. There's a close up of the doll's face. They're all wearing different outfits. There's even a little miniature stroller. Then we've got the large farmhouse style signs that say blessed and home sweet home. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you guys could help me out and subscribe if you haven't done so already, that would be great. Also, hit that like button for me. And if you could give it a share, that also would help. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a very lovely week, and I'll see you back here on Friday.